Hey beautiful! Today I've got a 10-minute ab-focused cardio workout for you. You don't need any equipment, not even a yoga mat, because there is no floor exercise. And best of all, there is no jumping, so you won't get into any trouble with your neighbors. In this routine, we'll do 10 exercises, 45 seconds on, and 15 seconds rest. I am so excited to share this workout. Let's all keep fit and healthy during this quarantine and kick 2020's butt. Alright, first up, sky reach knee pull. Extend your arms and right leg all the way in opposite directions for a full range of motion. When you bring your elbows and knee together, squeeze your core. Time to switch to the other side. The further you stretch out your left leg before pulling your knee in, the more you'll feel it in your abdominal muscles. Next, elbow to knee and extend. Bring your left elbow to your right knee and extend both limbs so your hand taps your toes. You've got it! Switch sides. Remember to breathe during this exercise and make sure you don't lose balance.
¿Cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Quiero, baby. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby.
Next, back lunge, ab twist, and up. Set your left foot back into a back lunge position. When you lunge down, twist your ab to the right, come back to center, push up, and repeat.
Baby, Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor.
Next, same exercise on the other side for another 45 seconds. Fire up those legs and abs. Let's go!
¿Cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Oh, oh, oh. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor. Yeah, yeah.
Tell me how to be closer to you. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. 'Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe.
Next, kick toe reach. Kick your right foot forward and reach your left hand out to tap your toes. Make sure to reset before each kick and slightly twist your abs toward the right side.
Yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason. Yes, you're the only reason I'm free. You're the only reason. Yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
Next, repeat the same exercise on the other side.
You and I could be on our way. Pack our bags and take this love to a different place now. Yes, you and I could be on our way. And love it when you whisper in my ear. Words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason. Yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason. Yes, you're the only reason I am free.
Next, side crunch. Keep your hands on the back of your ears and bring your elbow to your knee. Alternate sides. Make sure to breathe and squeeze your oblique muscles with each crunch.
You're the only reason. Yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
Esa chica quiere selfie, selfie, ella quiere ver. Pa' que el CP se dé cuenta que aquí perdió esa mujer. Lo que quiere es
Home stretch, my favorite exercise. Boxer stance and punch. Sway right, left, as if your upper body is a windshield wiper, and punch it out 4 times. Finish strong.
normal. Que el novio teme que su relación va a terminar. Se da cuenta que no necesita alguien más. Quiere un selfie para su Instagram. Ella ya no quiere relación, alguien que diga su condición, que solamente le dé traición, para después llegar con un perdón. Quiere hangar y ser de esos pibis que goza la vida y lo hacen como esa chica quiere selfie, selfie, ella quiere ver, para que el jefe se dé cuenta que aquí perdió esa mujer, lo que quiere es.
Nicely done! If you're up for it, feel free to do another set. Thanks for working out with me today and subscribe to TerraFit for more home workout videos like this. Bye!
Nos ponemos risueños.